Hi, my name is Jill Henson, and today I'm going to introduce you to some of my favorite Pilates mat work rolling exercises. We're going to start with open leg rocker in a tabletop position. So you're going to bring one leg up and then the other. You're going to inhale to roll back and then exhale to come up, find your balance, and then you go again. Inhale to roll back and exhale up. You're trying not to roll forward. And then if you're feeling really good here, you're going to extend one leg and then the other. Inhale, we roll back. Exhale up, find your balance. Inhale, scoop back. Exhale up, lift through the chest. We're gonna go one more. Inhale back, I'm going sideways. Exhale, so if you go sideways, it's okay. And then you're gonna bring it down. So my feet are planted, I'm nice and long through my arms, and I'm gonna take you through oblique rollback. So we're gonna inhale, exhale, scoop it back. And just play with the breath pattern. When you come up, if you wanna inhale to the other side, you can. I really don't care as long as you're breathing. And up, shoulders nice and open. One more each side. And back. You're gonna bring the hands down from here. We're gonna bring it all the way down to your back, and I'm gonna teach you jackknife. So from here, we're gonna extend the legs out long. You're gonna lift up and roll over. I like to bring my toes down for a little tap. You can play with that. And then up, I'm pressing into my palms. I'm keeping my hips steady, and I'm extending my toes toward the ceiling, as tall as I can get them. And then I'm bringing the legs back. And then I'm belly to spine, rolling back down. You want to make sure you're super comfortable with more of the beginner exercises before you try this. And once you get the hang of it and you figure out where you want to engage, where you need to engage, it's actually really fun. I'm going to take you through one more of these. Inhaling, exhaling over. You can keep it here and extend. You can tap the toes. Pretty pro of that one. And nice and slow, you're gonna slowly roll it back down. Okay, now we are gonna play with control balance. This has been taught to me with a few different variations, so we're just gonna play a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna bring it all the way down to the mat. I'm gonna extend my legs up. I'm gonna bring it over. I am going to bring my arms overhead, and I'm gonna clasp my ankle as I extend the left leg up. Now, if I can, I'm gonna try, without dropping my hips, to switch my legs without having a party in my hips. And I'm switching, nice and strong here. And I'm gonna play with this one more time. And then, because it feels good to me, I'm gonna bring it here. A lot of people don't love this, but I do. I love to stretch. And then we're gonna slowly bring it back down. Now I'm gonna play a little bit with corkscrew, and then we're gonna call it a day. So we're gonna bring it down to the mat. We're gonna extend the legs out. They're gonna go over to the side to bring you up and over your hips, and then down to the left. And back, to the left, up, and down. It's like a little massage to your spine. It's really amazing. And to the right, and down, and to the left, And slowly bring it down, hug it in, you can stretch the legs. That's it today for the advanced rolling exercises. If you want more of this, just subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments.